How to turn off WhatsApp group voice chat. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application WhatsApp is up to date. If not, you need to head over to your App Store and then update it. Once you have the latest version of the app, open it. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. It will be landing you on this home page. Now, head over to any of the group that you want to turn off the voice chat. Once you're in here, tap on the name of the group at the very top. Tons of different options will be available to you. But you can see that there is no any option or the feature where you are able to turn off the group voice chat. It means it is impossible to turn off the group voice chat. Well, if you want to avoid the voice chat, then what you can do is you can simply mute the conversation. Long press the inbox of the group chat and then click on mute. Click on always. Well, the group chat has been muted. Now you won't be receiving any of the notification of the group. Not only the voice chat, you will also not receive the notification of the text messages. So that's how you can avoid the voice chat if you don't want it. But if you really want to turn off the voice chat, then what you want to do is wait for the WhatsApp support to update this feature in the app, and then only you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can turn off group voice chat on WhatsApp. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.